So we've made it back to Lake Mead and our table, and there's the car. I'll do a bit more filming when this other car's gone in a second. They've just pulled up there. I'm just going to have a quick look around here now and just see what it says on this notice board here. Further on about there on that side, desert tortoises. Let's have a look what it says there. It just says about hiking and everything on that one here at Lake Mead. And does it say anything on this side? It just gives you a map of the area. Look at this tree. It's been here for years and years, that has. And here we've got our car, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. It's black, and it really is a nice motor. And I'll just go and look that way, and that's our picnic table, which we always go to. And Daryl is just chilled out there and relaxing. So let's go and just have a quick look around this amazing area here. It's quiet here today. We've had one car that actually stopped while we've been here, and the other car that just drove around. So we have done okay. Let's walk down to this other table here, and we'll have a look there at the view of the lake. It's really warm here. It's not as warm as it normally has been, but yeah, I can say it's warm. Years ago when we were here, the lake used to go a lot more to the left, but obviously that's dried out a lot now, so Lake Mead has gone a lot smaller than it used to be. So we've got in total 1, 2, 3 tables on this site. So let's go have a look at this table here. Never normally picnic here, but again, this is quite a nice table. You've got a good view of Lake Mead, and like on our table, you've got another barbecue there, so you can barbecue if you wanted to. And we'll pan round this way, and if I zoom in there, you can see the table we're sitting at, and you can see our car. Really nice. So let's have a walk to the third table, which is just up here. There's trash bins everywhere, so when you've done your picnic, you can put all your trash straight in the bin. More of these desert trees. Look at the rock in the ground. There's just pieces of rock and boulders absolutely everywhere here. So this is a table, really, this one I'm coming to here, that we don't really go to very often. In fact, I can't ever remember walking to this table and having a look at it, so this could be a first. Let's carry on and walk and have a look. More of these nice trees here. Very quiet. There isn't even much traffic on the actual main road there today for some reason. So here we go. Here's the next picnic table. It looks good. Table, barbecue, and plenty of rocks if you wanted to build the rocks out here. And again, look at the view of Lake Mead there. It's absolutely spectacular. I'll turn around there, and straight across is where we've got the car parked. So look at all the ground again here. It's amazing. All the rocks, all the stones, are all there. So peaceful here as well. So let's just have a look at the rocks here. All different colours. We've got black, we've got brown, we've got white. So yeah. And look at that little tree just growing in the middle of them all there. So let's start heading back to the car, which is across the other side here. It's so warm. There's plenty of places to actually park here, but I've never, in all the years I've come, never seen more than probably 3 or 4 cars here at a time. So you've got the toilets there as well. So we've got some toilets there. And like I say, there's our car. And it's got the signs and all the writing on it. It does look really, really good. Look at the trees there. They look amazing as well. So let's go back to the car and have a look at the car. Car's really, really nice. Like I say, it is a Chrysler Pacifica.